A stem and leaf plot. Imagine you have a lot of data. That's a lot of different numbers you collected from a survey or from something. And you have to categorize it and to make it in a more organized fashion. So stem and leaf is one way you can do it. So these are the different ages of people in a room. So you have the stem and a leaf. Can you take data from the stem and leaf? So let's see how I'm going to do this. Stem and leaf. Leaf is ones place. Stem is in the tens place. What does that mean? So this is the ones place. This is the tens place. Oh, so we need to mesh it. We need to merge it. So you put the 0 with the 3. So data collection, you have 0, 3. Isn't 0, 3 just 3? It is. 0, 3 is just 3. So there's a kid who's 3 years old. You mesh 0 with 8. So you have an 8-year-old kid, because 0, 8 is really 8 years old. You have 0 with 9, which is a 9-year-old kid. 2 and 3 is 23, 27. So you're meshing the tens place with the ones place. You have another 27-year-old, another 27-year-old. You have a 28-year-old, and you have a 29. Let's go to the 30-year-olds. You have a 30-year-old, another 30-year-old. You mesh the 3 and a 5, so that's 35-year-old, 36, and 39. Now you have a 41, 43, 45, a 53-year-old, 57. Oh, we're coming up close to my age now. And then you have a 102-year-old, a centennial. So those are the ages. So to make a stem and leaf plot, you take the tens and ones place, you mesh them up together, you put them together, and that's how it is. I like drawing arrows to help me so I won't lose track. Do you see how these are from least to greatest? So what happens if they give you the different ages? Can you go back and create a stem and leaf plot from it? So for example, here are the ages. So the first thing you do is you create a T-chart, a table. Stem, leaf. And if you would like to define it, a leaf is ones place, a stem is tens place. So let's look at the first one. 3. How can you break the number 3 into tens and ones place? Well, if I put a 0 in front of it, isn't 0, 3 the same thing as 3? It is. Let's scratch that so we know we used it. 8. 0. 0's already done for us, so we put a comma 8. 0's already done for us. 0, 9. How would you break down the 23 into the tens columns and the ones column? So 2 goes here, 3 goes here. So these are going to be the kids, the people who are 20 in their 20s. So we have another 27, 27. Another 27, 27. Another 20, 27. We have a 28-year-old, 28. Now we have a 29, 29. So these are all the individuals who are in their 20s. Now we have to do those who are in the 30s. There are 5 of them. So this 3 is the tens place. So we have a 30-year-old, 30-year-old, 35, 36, and 39-year-old. So 30, 30, 35, 36, 39. Now let's do the 40s. How many persons are in their 40s? 1, 2, 3 of them. So we have 41, 43, 45. How many are in their 50s? 2 of them. We have 53, 57. And last but not least, 102. Well, we have 10 tens. And the ones place is 2. And that is how you recreate a stem and leaf plot using data. So if you could tell, it's from least to greatest. You broke up the tens place from the ones place. So you say, all right, what's the point of this? So if you have a lot of different data, it's a very, very fast way to categorize. You can ask so many questions from this. So you can say like, from this, the mode. Most people are how old? Mode means most common. Most common age is 27, 27, 27. The range. The range of ages is from, range is highest minus lowest, is 102. The youngest kid, baby, is toddler, is 3 years old. So it's 99. It range from 99 years. From 3-year-old all the way to 102-year-old. So it's 99 years gap. You can say the median. So which age is in the middle? So we can look at here, look at our data, put them from least to greatest. It's already done for us. Who's in the middle? Blink, 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 blink. So there are two ages in the middle, 30 and 30. So it's 30 years old. So the median is 30. And the last one you can get out of it is mean, which is average. You add up all these ages and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 individuals. I'm not going to do it, but if I had to take a guess, it'd be about around 31, maybe 32, maybe. So that is stem and leaf. So stem and leaf plot is when you separate the ones place from the tens place, and so you can categorize a large amount of data.